Welcome once again. I think today we are going with the same chapter. Let's see what is there in this session. I think in this session we will be learning a very new concept, that is binary addition. Okay, I think addition subtraction you already know, but we will be trying to understand binary addition and subtraction, multiplication, and all. Now let's see the truth table. We call it as a truth table, or you can say that it is like a rules for binary addition. So these are the different combinations. Like suppose if first bit is 0, second bit is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, no carry. Either you can write 0 here or you can put a dash. Now 0 plus 1 will be 1, no carry. 1 plus 0 is also 1, no carry. But 1 plus 1, I think in normal circumstances it is 2. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, but since we are dealing in terms of binary, then 2 can also be written in. So this will be your sum and this is your carry. Okay, so can you see this sum is written here and carry is written there. So this is a new rule you have to follow, that is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, because it becomes 2. Okay, now let's use some, I'll give you some examples. So 7 plus 2. Okay, solve using binary addition. So you have to convert 7 and 2 in binary and then perform the binary addition. So 7 in binary is 1111. I think now I hope you remember this 8421 method. So 7 you can easily write. Okay, 2 you already know, 0 1. Okay, now you have to add. So whenever you add, you can see that this is 0 plus 1 is 1. Just now I show you the rules, that is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So whatever is written in this red, that becomes a carry. Again, so that's why it is 1 plus 1 is 0. Then again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, then this one will be written directly. So everyone knows that this is nothing but 9, and this is binary and this is in decimal. See, answer you will get it same, but you should know that you should also follow the rules of binary addition, subtraction, and all. So I think I am just following the rules, and I just shown you the output according to that. Okay, now let's take one more example. Now suppose if the values are 17 and 21, and if you want to solve this, so I think just now we have done 8421. So I think this will be there only till 15. So if you want to go for 17 or 21 more than that, then you have to go for 5 bits. So 16 plus 1 17, rest everything should be 0. Okay, these are the shortcuts. 21, I think you already know, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1. So 16 plus 4 and 1, this is 21. That's why you got those values. Okay, now can you see 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, but since we also have carry, that's why I have written here 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So this is nothing but 38. You can cross check also. Okay, and 17. See, everyone knows the answer, what will be the answer, but that number should be perfect, and I want to see all the steps and all. Okay, now let's see one more example. I think we have seen only 2 examples for binary addition. Now we will be going with the binary subtraction. Okay, binary subtraction. So binary subtraction also, there is only one change, rules for binary subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. See, since we are subtracting, that's why I've written difference, and we don't have a carry here, we are having a borrow. Can you see 1 minus 0 is 1, no borrow. 1 minus 1 is 1, 0. Sorry, 1 minus 1 is 0, no borrow. Now only change is here. It's a very unique thing, that is 0 minus 1 is 1 and borrow 1. Now you have to remember this, and we will apply this. So please remember this one, that is 0 minus 1 is 1 and borrow 1. Okay, so let's see how you will get this. So again I've taken almost the same examples. 7, I think instead of plus, uh, I should use minus. So this has to be minus. Okay. So 7 minus 2. So convert this and then perform binary subtraction. So 7, just now we have seen the binary of it, 2 ka binary. Now can you see 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So there is no requirement of that 0 minus 1 condition. But can you see we got the same output what we want, that is 5. Okay, now let's go with the next example. I think same thing I have taken 27 minus 21. Okay, so 27 binary is this, 21 binary is this, so I have written together. Can you see 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. Now there is a twist. 0 minus 1 is 1, borrow 1. Since this is borrow, I am not writing up, I am writing down. Okay, so 0 minus 1 is 1, borrow 1. Now can you see 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. That's why I have written 0 here, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So your value is going to be perfect. So everyone knows that 27 minus 21 will be 6, and you can see when you go in binary also you will be getting the same output. So I hope you got this. Now let's go with the next. Yeah, purposely I have taken one more example, 8 minus 7. In order to practice this, 8 everyone knows that 1 triple 0, 7 is 0 1 1 1. Now can you see 0 minus 1 is 1, okay, and borrow 1. Now 0 minus 1 is 1, and can you see borrow 1, and this 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, I'll just show you here. This is okay, and this is 7. So suppose if I'm subtracting, so everyone knows the rule, 0 minus 1 is 1, and borrow 1. Now can you see 0 minus 1 is 1 here, this 1 minus 1, just wait, this 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1 is 1, borrow 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, again 0 minus 1 is 1, borrow 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0, 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So remember that I think same thing here you can see, that is 0 minus 1 is 1, that I have already written, but borrow also you have to write. 0 minus 1 is 1, this 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Then again 0 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and since 0 minus 1 was 1 here, borrow also you have to write. So all these are of borrows. Okay, so we are, can you see here I have written in subtraction format. So whatever is written below, that is a binary borrows. Now we are going to go for multiplication. So 8 into 3, everyone knows that 8 3s are 24. So 8 I have written in like this, and I have written 3 in binary. Now remember that everything, see, don't think what I am teaching, this is everything in binary. So because binary multiplication is there, so 8 I have written like that. So 1 into this, you will be getting the same number. I think you already know we have to pad up with 0, that's why I have written asterisk. Now again you have to write this. Now you have to follow the same rules, 0 0 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 1. Now when you solve this, I think this is nothing but a 24, because 16 plus 8, I think you already know the shortcut methods, 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So can you see this is your number, so this is nothing but 16 plus 8 is 24. So this answer is correct. Okay, now let's take some more examples. Now here also, I think, can you see 7 5s are 35. So 7 is written, 5 is written. So I think you have to multiply one bit at a time. So 1 into this number, same number, 0 into this number, all zeros. 1 into same number, you'll be getting this. Okay, now when you add this, so this will be 1 here, this again will be 1. Okay, now can you see, I think I have not written the carries. So 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 minute. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. I think carries are there, but can you see it is written in very small, or let me zoom this. So yeah, so can you see here, you can see this is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Then this 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, but 1 plus this 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Then this 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. And when you calculate this using that shortcut method, or by changing this into decimal, you'll be getting the same thing, that is 35. Okay, now let's go with the next. Here also 13 into 11. So whatever your number is, that is 143 you will be getting. I think this is an image like multiplier. Okay, so I think you have to one digit you have to multiply. So this will be the same number. Then there is a gap, or you can put asterisk. Then this is the same number, zeros 1. So can you see this 1 is coming here? 0 plus 1 is 1. 1. Now can you see this is 3? So 1 minute. So can you see 1 plus 1 plus 1, that becomes 3. So 3 you have to write 1 here, and this is nothing but a carry. Okay. Now this is nothing but a carry. So you can see this is again, I think sorry, this is not a carry here, just wait. This is your number. Here you are going to get one carry. Okay, they have not written the carry. So 0 plus 1 is 0. Again carry 1. Then whatever is written in red, that is a carry. 0 plus 1 is, sorry, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. And again this is nothing but a carry part. So here you will be getting 4 carries. So suppose if you want to add 3. So everyone knows 3 can also be written in binary like this, or you can go in simple method like 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, so then 1 plus 1 is 0, sorry, 0 plus, this carry should be written here. This is again a carry. 0 plus 1 is 1, and again 1. So this will not come, and these two things will come. Okay, now we have to go with division. I think similar thing is there, division also. Now here you can see that 8 divided by 2. So 8 has to be in binary, 2 has to be in binary. So 2 divided by 8. See, since this number is smaller, this is 1, this is 2, that's why I have written 0 here. Now when we take this 2 digits, this becomes, don't read it as 10, this is nothing but in binary 2. So that's why I have written the quotient as 1, and this has to be subtracted. So 0 minus 1 is 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and rest I have padded with, because if we write this 0 here, we have to again write 0 here. So can you see the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 0. So see that you should write both the things, what is the quotient and what is the remainder. Okay, again I have taken one more example, that is in whatever the examples I have taken, there is no remainder here, but in some cases you will also find remainder. Suppose 18 divided by 3. So everyone knows the answer is 6, but can you see 3 and this is 18. So since we take 2 digits, that becomes 2, so we have to take 3 digits. So when we take 3 digits, this becomes 4 and this is 3. So 4 minus 3, the remainder is 1. Okay, then they have already taken this 1 here. Now this becomes 3. So that's why they have written 1 above, and this 0 is coming down. That's why you can see you got the answer as 6, remainder is 0. Okay, Now I think just practice. I'll give you some problems on WhatsApp to practice and all. Now we are going with one more very unique concept, that is one's complement and two's complement. Now what is one's complement and two's complement? One's complement and two's complement are used for subtraction in computers. Okay, don't worry now, you just try to understand what is one's complement. One's complement of binary number is to replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Just remember this, you have to just replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So suppose if the question comes like find one's complement of 5, so first binary 5 has to be converted to binary, that is 1 0 1. Then one's complement will be just replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0, that's it. So 1 is replaced by 0, 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0. That is the one's complement of 5. Simple. Okay, I have given you some more problems. Suppose this is 14 in decimal, so 14 in binary is this. One's complement of 14 will be 0 0 0 1. Very simple rule, replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Same thing, 25, this is binary 25, and one's complement of 25 will be replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Okay, so again if the values are going more like 105, so this is 105 in binary. See that if your binary is wrong, your answer, your entire answer will be wrong. So see that you should know the binary conversions properly. Either you can divide, I think everyone knows, you can divide it by 2, 105 should be divided by 2, and we are interested in the remainder. Okay, and see that you move from bottom to top. Okay, so everyone knows this, just replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Same way I have written 125 also, this is 125 in binary, replace 0 and 0 by 1. Now after this we are also having the last concept, that is two's complement. Two's complement is nothing but one's complement plus 1. This is a very important formula. So I think just now I have shown you what is, or I told you what is one's complement. Just replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0, and in that if you add 1, then two's complement will be there. Okay, so 5, two's complement of 5 will be one's complement of 5 is I think we have just replaced 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Just add 1. So you have to follow the rules, 0 plus 1 is 1, then rest of the things will be here. So this is nothing but 2's complement of 5. Okay, now let's go for 14. So this is binary 14. So before you do 2's complement, first you have to change it to 1's complement. So 1's complement will be replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Now can you see, this is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So whatever is written in red color, that is a carry, and you got the output this. If you don't write zeros will do. Okay, after this we are having 105, so this is binary 105. 2's complement will be, first you have to find 1's complement of this. So we have just removed 1's complement by replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Now you have to just add 1. Okay, so 0 plus 1 is 1, and rest everything will be same. Okay, can you see we got 125. So just replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. For that means first you have to find 1's complement and then plus 1. Okay, so I hope you understood in this session what is binary addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and I hope you understood what is 1's complement and 2's complement. Okay, so just practice. I think today or tomorrow or whenever I get time, I'll just send some practice problems for you. You can practice or you can write in your book, and you can prepare for your exams. Okay, thank you very much. We'll meet in some other session. Thank you.